Hey guys, iQOO 12 series are coming very soon in India and the iQOO 12 hands-on images are leaked today. So let's now talk about the iQOO 12 and 12 Pro specification. iQOO 12 Pro comes with 6.78-inch 2K resolution Samsung E7 AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 2700 nits. And on the other hand, iQOO 12 also comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution BOE OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 3000 nits. iQOO 12 Pro come with and the both phone also come with the latest flagship processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and Adreno 750 GPU with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage with Android 14. And both phones also come with triple camera setup on the back, the 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and you can take a 100x digital zoom. And the font is come with 16 megapixel single selfie camera. iQOO 12 Pro powered by 5100 mAh battery and iQOO 12 is come with 5000 mAh battery, but both phones also support 120 watt fast charging. Both phones also come with stereo speaker and in-display fingerprint scanner. And the iQOO 12 series launched in India in 12 December 2023. So this is all about iQOO 12 series, all the details and specification. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.